Hello dear viewer, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you 5 Facebook needed tips. Okay, uh, first one is video autoplay, stop video autoplay. Second one is activity log. Third one is logout. Fourth one is tags and timeline, and final one is how to stop mail unwanted mail from Facebook in my email. Okay, now for auto stop autoplay video, click settings and left side in the bottom click videos. Okay, videos. Okay, here will be autoplay videos. Click default and click off. Then video will be stopped from autoplay. I hope that autoplay stop video. Okay, uh, acti 2 numbers activity logs. How many work you are how many activities are you working in your Facebook profile from creating ID till now. You can see by activity log. Okay, click activity log. It will come how many things are you doing in your Facebook. Okay, now number 3, log out. Sometimes we can log in any device and we are forget to log out from this device, and that's why it will risk for security. Okay, you can log out from those device in your current device. For this reason you have to go to you have to click here and go to settings, and from left side you have to click security and login, and here is your device. How many devices are you already logged in? This one is current device, it is active now, and rest one is your device that you already logged in. Okay, if you click this button log out of all sessions, then all will be log out. Now we can right click and log out from one by one. Okay, now I'm doing here log out of all sessions. Okay, that means all devices are logged out without current device. Okay, number 4, times and tagging. Sometimes many posts are shared by your Facebook page, that is you don't know. Okay, now we have to go to timeline and set tagging, and you have to go to review tag people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Okay, you have to configure this section. That means if anyone tagging you, it will appear for review for on your review without share on your timeline. Okay, enabled. Okay, in 5 number, if you create an email by your if you create a Facebook ID by your email, then many mail has come in your email. That is very annoying. Okay, you have to go to notifications, and you have to go to email and click the edit. Okay, you can only, you have to select only notification about your account and security and privacy. No need any email uh, without security and privacy region. Okay, you have to select this one. Okay, for getting next update, please subscribe my channel and comment, share and like my video.